down the side, you'll see a hinge, like a little pin. So what I did, I drilled a hole, not too deep, just past this area. Then let me just take this up there. All right. Then you basically put some oil over the top of it, help it lubricate, make it move. Then I just get a pin. This is from the throttle cable. It broke, but I'm gonna use this. That's how I got that one off of that. So all you have to do, basically, put the pin inside. You basically will hit it with a hammer. Not hard, not like very blunt. Nice little taps. Now once you get that much out, get a pair of vice grips. Put it close to the edge. Once you got it, twist the hinge. Get that lubricant all over it so it can be easier. Then you basically will tap. Unrelease. Grab it again. And that's how you remove it. So once you've got your quick release pins, all you have to do is basically get your hinges, drill out with a 1/4 bit. 5/16 I could fit through right perfectly, but you're just making the hole bigger. And basically you could just slide right inside. There you go. Now once I have that, you also gotta drill this piece bigger with a 1/4 drill bit. It's not that hard, just basically line it up. Goes in very well. And once you got the 1/4 hole bigger, test fit it, see if it fits in, and it fits in right in. All I have to do is basically put everything back together. Now grab the other side. I already drilled that out already. Put a little bit of oil in there. Slide it in. And you're good to go.